How's it going? What's up and what's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Kiara DeCass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Oh, so excited to be here with you guys once again. And of course, this video is pre-recorded, but it is pre-recorded on the 17th of 5 at 4:30 UCT time, and then I will be posting it at 4:30 tomorrow morning on the 18th of May. So, guys, been having so much fun out here in the crypto space, so hope you guys have been too. Hope you guys are making lots of money, and hope you're enjoying the projects that I'm sharing and showing you, because I want you to make money just like I am too. So I'm going to show you some sneak little treats. Okay, so today in today's project, I am going to be speaking about an incredible coin. You cannot get it on Bybit. You can only get it on gate.io and on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is where I always buy. I always use BNB to buy this coin, but you can use USDT or USD as well, and you can buy it on gate.io with USDT also. So choice is yours. Links are down below. Of course, PancakeSwap is not a link, a referral link or anything like that. So yeah, guys, just let's have fun with this project. I'm going to show you something insane, and yeah, let's give us a moment. So, of course, then with this project, I'm going to show you some stuff, and I'm going to give you a few facts. Now, hopefully, you guys realize the absolute potential of crypto, not even just this project, because this project's got insane potential, but the entire potential of crypto itself. And remember, I said crypto could become a $200 trillion market cap later on in the future. Right now, yes, we're hovering around 1 trillion. So that means about 180x from where we are today, which is very interesting. Guys, make no mistake, institutions are onboarding, things are getting wild, regulation will come into play, but the rest of the world is doing great things. But America are falling behind, and that's their problem, and they're losing out, even though it's going to make up for some of their market cap. I think they got some tricks up their sleeve behind closed doors, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff just pointing towards those things. But anyways, guys, let's focus on today's project. I'm going to show you what today's project is, and let's go and have some fun with this project. It's insane. I've shown you this project before on my channel. I do absolutely love it. I do have some myself, and no, I'm not sponsored by it at all. So let's go and have some fun. This project is Landshare, ranked all the way at 1,463. So you can see it's very, very high on the rankings, and people would consider this a very high risk token, but high risk, high reward. Please remember that whenever I do videos like this for you. That's the logo. That's the name, Landshare. That's the ticker, Land. It's currently sitting at 77 cents. It's down 2.7% for the day. It's only on 28,000 people's watch list. So it's very much not enough out there, but it will get there, and we'll show you why. So market cap is currently sitting just under 3 million. Which is great. It's a decent sized market cap, and it's very small, although trading volume isn't very, very high at the moment. And for me, that's not great, but I think there comes a point where people do buy certain tokens, and there comes a point where people don't buy certain tokens. So that doesn't mean terribly much, but more trading volume is better. So fully diluted valuation is 7.7 million. So that's about 2.5 times the market cap, which is great, which means people do believe in this project and people have put money behind it. I'm one of them. My brother's one of them. And I have a few people that I have shared this project with too. There are only ever going to be 10 million of this. So there's going to be 50% less than Bitcoin. 54% less than Bitcoin. The total supply is that, and circulation, we already have that. So 4 million, just under 4 million. So that's great. So it's not bad in terms of its ratio to maximum supply, which is great. And some of that is already existing and locked up. Now I lock mine up, and that's great. And I'm going to show you a few things. So this might be a slightly longer video, but the previous all-time high and the previous price was all the way up here. It says 1053, but I know it was 1220. So yeah. 1220 up here. We're down 93% from that more than a year ago, 21 November. And yeah, the all-time low was 4 months ago in January at 44 cents. So now we're going to have a very strong look at this, guys. Now, market cap, have a look at market cap. Look at that. Okay, so price, market cap. Price, market cap. Okay, so market cap is the same currently as it was when the price was at its all-time high. That is very, very good and very, very healthy. That's saying to us that people believe in the project, have invested in the project, and are continuing to stay in the project. Even though we've seen a steep decline, what the hell do you think is going to happen when you have such a jump? Of course, you're going to have a deep drop down, guys. Like it's normal. So don't just believe because the project had a steep drop that there's nothing wrong with it, that there's nothing right with it. Okay, so this is the project. Okay, so landshare.io, beautiful logo. I love it. It reminds me of permaculture, and I absolutely love permaculture. Now, before I continue to read on this website and show you what this project is about, I would love to first go and give you a description of the entire total real estate globally or internationally market cap. Okay. Now, what Landshare are doing is they're bringing real estate to the blockchain. How are they doing that? Okay. You'll invest in tokenized real estate assets directly on the Binance Smart Chain for as little as $50. Super simple, guys. There's a lot of stuff to cover in this, okay? And I will tell you and show you a few things. The project is audited. It's phenomenal. The entire real estate market cap in 2020, we're 3 years down the line, was sitting at $326.5 trillion. Okay, now that you have this within your line of sight, with 3 years down the line, I wouldn't be surprised if this number is a lot closer to about $400 trillion today, considering that there was still a lot of building and things that happened after 19, and you know, there's a lot more money in the property, and there's a lot more money in the world today than there was then. So very interesting. Okay, so let's go back to the website here. So you can launch the app. So we'll launch the app there for you. You can buy the token. You can see them all on social media. They've been on Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, Binance. I wonder if you can buy this. I think you can buy this on Binance. Let's go and check there. No. Pancake, because Pancake is Binance, so it's recommended by Binance, of course, and then gate.io. So yeah, that's great stuff. And then basically real estate meets DeFi. So DeFi, decentralized finance. Landshare turns real world properties into asset-backed, yield-bearing, and fully tradable asset tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. Invest in real estate for as little as $50. So, you know, I have an account with Easy Equities, and Easy Equities, as an example, is a South African exchange platform, very similar to Binance, but not the same, okay? Where it offers derivatives or contracts of stocks and real estate, etc. There's different categories. And as an example, I would spend whatever, 2,000 Rand, and I would take 2,000 Rand and I would invest it into a property that's looking to raise 10 million Rand. And I would then be allocated 2,000 shares because my 2,000 shares are worth 1 Rand each. Obviously that makes a lot of sense in how you treat your real estate. So, you know, you can invest in this contract like that, but you can do the same here. And this is in crypto. And then you can have monthly rental income sent directly to your wallet each month. So I'm doing this and I'm earning passively on the coin. Let's go and have a quick listen here as to what Landshare is all about here. So give me a moment.
For many years, smart investors have used real estate investment to build wealth. Unfortunately, owning a property requires large amounts of capital, alongside having to deal with a long list of hassles, including property taxes, insurance, tenant management, and maintenance. The traditional method of real estate investment is simply not suitable for the average investor. With Landshare, Investors of all income levels can buy shares of property online in just minutes, easily building a real estate portfolio on the blockchain through asset tokenization. Each property has its asset tokens which can be bought or sold directly on the chain. By owning the asset tokens, you become a legal shareholder of the property. The net cash flows from the asset are split among the asset holders, and cash payments are sent directly to them each month. Asset tokens are also collateralized by the value of the underlying real estate asset, allowing investors to benefit from year-on-year real estate appreciation over time. Just sit back and relax while reaping the fruits of your investment. Get started today at landshare.io, bringing real estate to the blockchain.
So great video, right? And great introduction to the project. This is absolutely phenomenal. So you can browse the properties, you can make your investments, you can relax and earn. So I'm going to show you a few things quickly. Share token. And the tokenomics of this token are, you can use it for payment, okay? Landshare token is used as payment to make purchases on the Landshare platform. NFT ecosystem. Use land tokens to buy, upgrades, and repair your property in Landshare's NFT feature. Staking. Utilize land token staking, liquidity farms, and BUSD vaults to earn additional rewards. So I do this, and I'll show you something else. Loan protocol. Borrow BUSD against asset token collateralized. Reclaim your tokens by paying interest in land. I'm doing that. Governance. Stake your Landshare tokens, earn voting power in the Landshare governance portal. So I'm staking my tokens, and there are also burns, very interestingly so. And we're going to talk about that in a moment. All land platform fees are burned and removed from the overall supply of the Landshare tokens. So this I showed you. we might never get that 10 million. Okay. So, okay. Now we finished there. Okay. So the Landshare token is the utility token of the platform and does not represent the value of real estate assets. So please realign yourself with that. Elevate your real estate investment with Landshare by auto compounding, real estate NFTs, which you can earn rewards on, and asset loans, which you can earn rewards on. So I'm in the auto compounding pool. So automatically reinvest your rental payouts into more asset tokens, allowing you to grow your portfolio exponentially without ever lifting a finger. Now, the craziest thing about this is, okay, so these are the two properties that are on here. They're both rental properties. They're being rented out in real life. This is the cash return, sold out, and this is the one that's available. So this one is done. You can't get any more in there. So they'll keep putting more properties as each of them fill up. They're not going to go crazy and do everything all at once, right? Now, the crazy thing about this is, check this out. So let's minimize that a little bit. Asset class, real estate, inflation hedge, low volatility, monthly passive income, property appreciation, tangible asset, auto compounding, average annual return of 17%. Check out this. Stocks, stuffed. REITs, a little bit better, but not that great. Bonds, average. Gold, decent, but not great. CDs, bye-bye. These are their blocks. They've been doing marketing. They've been doing crazy things. Residents of the following countries may not be permitted to use certain features of Landshare, unfortunately, and that is because of the stuff that obviously happens in all kinds of things. But yeah, anyways, so you can go and check their stuff out here. I normally go and buy on PancakeSwap, and the other thing I just wanted to go and show you was the tokenomics. The token. No? Yeah. Tokenomics. Yeah. So circulating supply, 3.9 million. Supply cap. See how much has already been burnt. Just under 20,000 coins have already been burnt. Market cap is only 3 million. Token price, 77 cents. Now, this is where you go and stake. You connect your wallet. This is where you'll go and stake it in the vaults. You got tokenized assets. You got the dashboard to see your KYC. You can come buy your NFTs. This is the decentralized autonomous organization, and this is where you can come in and out and swap your land against and be USD pairs. So okay, so what I wanted to show you with this is now on my phone, and I'm going to show you exactly. I'm going to just quickly log into my Trust wallet on my phone, not on the computer, of course, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what this looks like. And I have mine in the vaults, so all my stuff is in the vaults, and basically the vaults are the land BNB liquidity pool staking, which is 68.8% APY, which is absolutely phenomenal, which is essentially one of the rentals. Okay, so there you can see that. Okay, there's my stuff. Okay, so I don't just talk, I put my money where my mouth is. And then this one is land token staking for 16.8%. And there is let's make this window a bit bigger for you guys. There you go, so you can see again. So that's the land share token staking for 16.8%, 420 tokens, and this is the auto compounding pool, as you can see there, auto. So guys, very fun, lots of good energy. I have another account with a lot more, but that is an account that I started again because I don't want to keep everything in one place. It's very important to recognize that. I want to go and show you very quickly the chart, and then I'll go and show you that document. So this is currently the chart. We've had a massive sell-off. We've never had a buy signal anywhere from the UT bots on here. But the RSI signal has also never really had a buy signal other than here, okay? And a sell signal over here, which was great. So it's telling us we need to sell. So sell land, buy USDT when the RSI reaches here. Buy land and sell USDT down here. So now it's time to buy some land, okay? And I'm not telling you what to do. It could sit a little bit sideways for now. And this is just on the weekly time frame, as you can see here. I have drawn this pattern, and this pattern on the 3-day time frame, as you can see, is actually a very strong bullish pattern. Even though it was a hard sell-off, you can see here on the 3-day, we're very, very oversold on the RSI. It is telling us we're going to get bought back up, and there will be a huge breakout. And for me, we're probably going to break out, punch here, pull back, smack through, and pull back again, and then make our way up, or we'll pull up, down, smack here, and knock out, pull back, and go up. That's kind of the two scenarios that I see happening for land share. Look, if it still comes down and meets this level here and finds support, that's okay. It's still a great place to buy. You're just DCAing all the way down here. But guys, I don't think it's going to get below this purple box. This purple box has been the strongest level of support for its entire journey, and it was literally supported by this entire box from all the way back here, 7th of May, which happens to be my birthday, 22, all the way back to here, 12th of Feb 23. So that's almost 1 year. Okay, that's a long time for support on that box. Now let's go and look at the last thing here. I told you my personal accumulation goal is 10,000 of these coins. I would actually really like to push that up quite a little bit to about 100,000 coins. But yeah, I'm going to keep it modest for 10,000 right now. I do have in total maybe nearly 2,000 coins. So I'm on the way to that goal. And basically, I did this video for you guys with this document when this price was 65 cents. So that was probably kind of somewhere around this level here. Okay. So just to give you a bit of understanding, the market cap was 2.47 million at that time. It's now 3 million, right? And we're sitting at 77 cents. So you can go and check there. You'll get, for $10,000 investment, you'll probably get around 17,500 coins. The all-time high was 1219. That's an 18.7 multiplier. Now, with realizing this $326 trillion market cap, what's to say 1 billion couldn't come into this space? And even 10 billion couldn't come. I mean, 10 billion out of that entire market cap is tiny, especially if this proves to be one of the most simplest and easiest and cheapest and most affordable, highest returning ways to earn money on tangible property assets. okay, that are backed by the liquidity of the token and the burning mechanism of the token. 10 billion would give us a 2,600. And remember, there's only 10 million of these coins and they're burning. $10 billion market cap would give us a $2,624 price. That's a 4,000x on your gains. So with at that level, your current coins would be worth $40 million. Then here, okay, you're at $100 billion. The price would be $26,000. That would be a 40,000x, and your money would be worth $403 million out of the $100 billion. Like, cool. You invested in a project very early and you made tons of money. Okay. Now, what does this take for you to become a millionaire at the 65-cent price? $25, guys. $24.77. You're buying 38 of these tokens, put them in staking, forget about them, but remember your passphrase. That will change your entire life. Okay. No financial advice. Guys, if you enjoyed this project, make sure to smash that notification bell there so you know when I do more videos just like this for you, and make sure that you enjoy watching this content. Let me know down below if you have any land share. I want to know if you are invested in land share. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.